Welcome to my channel, The Purple Poncho. I'm Carolyn, and today I'm going to show you how to make the lemon peel stitch. This stitch is made using single crochet and double crochet stitches. This is a fun stitch that makes a very thick and dense fabric. It works up quickly and it's really easy to memorize the repeat. Thank you for being here, and let's get crocheting. Today I'll be using my size H crochet hook, 5mm, and a number 4 worsted weight yarn. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver stripes, and the color is Retro Stripe. To begin, make a slip knot and place it on your hook. Begin with an even number of stitches, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and plus 1 as your turning chain. To begin, working into the second chain from your hook, 1, 2, going in right there, make a single crochet, and in the next stitch make a double crochet, and a single in the next stitch, and double crochet in the next. And we're going to repeat this, alternating your single and double, and single and double. And that is row 1. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. And we're going to start with a single in the first stitch and double in the next. Single and then double in the next. So if you notice, we're putting the single crochet in the previous row double crochet, and then we're putting the double crochet in the previous row single crochet. And each row will begin with a single and end with a double. So this is my last stitch, and I'm going to place a double crochet there. So this is a one row repeat after you get it established. So row 2, the row we just worked, is your repeat row. So again, start with a single. You're placing the single crochet in that last double crochet we made down here. And now double crochet. So we did single, double, single, double. And we're placing 1 stitch in each stitch. So single and then double. And single and double. And this is just a small sample to show you the stitch. And I have a bigger piece to show you here in the same yarn. So the lemon peel stitch, it is also known as the seed stitch. So it actually has a couple names. It might even have more than that. But those are the 2 I'm aware of at the time of this video. But isn't it pretty? It makes a very textured, beautiful fabric. And it's reversible. Turn it over. Isn't that pretty? It's very thick too. So this would be great for blankets, dishcloths, scarves, just about anything that you need a more dense or thick fabric. It's fairly thick. Hats, ear warmer, just anything you could think of. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial on the lemon peel stitch. I hope you've learned a lot. Thank you for being here and crocheting with me today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website at thepurpleponcho.com for more crochet, knit, and Tunisian crochet patterns and tutorials. I hope you have a wonderful day.